Are you looking forward to watch football live on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application YouTube. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are logged in, tap on the search icon at the top right corner and then simply search for Watch Football Match Live. Well, in this page, tons of different videos will be visible to you. If you scroll down, all the live videos will also be visible to you. The streamings might also be available. If it is available, then all you gotta do is click on it and watch the football live. If not, the next thing you can try doing is go back and then head over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are using the updated version. Once you're in this page, click on the search icon and then simply search for football live video. Or you can search for football live matches today. Click on continue and then tap on see results anyway. Well, there you can see tons of different live streaming of football will be available to you. Choose a specific one and then watch it. So this is simply how you can watch football live on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.